Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 5000 amp 12 volt reversing rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out, is in great working condition. This is filtered, does have ramp control and a Dynapower touch control right here. I'll show you how this works in a second. Overall dimensions is going to be 50 inches length, 37 inches width, 61 inches high. Total weight is 2,365. And as I mentioned, this is a 12 volt wired for 480 3-phase. Show you guys the pad really quick. And we'll get that going for you right now. As you can see, the controls are right here. First you want to do is hit power. Turns it on to standby. You can hit power one more time. And that will ramp up. Show you guys the scope over here. And to reverse, all you do is hit the button right here. And there you have it. Like I said, great working condition. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.